Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Folk AI. Folk AI is a CRM tool with an emphasis on simplifying contact and relationship management, presenting a user-friendly approach, often likened to a spreadsheet interface. Yes. So its AI features aim to streamline tasks and enhance productivity for individuals and small teams. The pros are ease of use. Yes, ease of use, effective contact management, AI-powered features like LinkedIn and AI assistant email is for LinkedIn and integration. So also have streamlined outreach, visual pipeline management also. It has a drag and drop interface for managing sales pipelines that provide a clear overview of deals and their progress. Now when it comes to the cons, it has limited reporting analytics. The mobile app is kind of limited. It's less feature rich compared to the desktop version, and it also has integration issues. It's as in Folk integrates with many tools that can be, but there can be limitations with specific integrations, particularly regarding the depth of functionality through APIs. And also, the last con is that it's less stable for large enterprises. It's only good for individuals and small teams because it lacks more of the advanced features and scalability required for larger or more complex organizational needs. That's a quick review on Folk AI or Folk.app. So, what are you waiting for? You can go to Folk.app. You can download the app and try it out for free.